One night, cold night trip with my best friend Prescian. It's first time for him doing some winter camping. Nice.
That was fairly easy.
Yes, it was. You smell like perfume.
What is that?
You smell like perfume.
I do?
I don't know. Something smells like. Oh shit!
Oh my god.
You smell that too, yeah?
That just came out of nowhere.
Yeah, very weird.
Oh my god. You know what it kind of smelled like? You know, like a bug spray?
Yeah.
It smells like bug spray.
So this guy right here. More like thumbs down.
Yeah, seriously. Feet are freezing.
I have some wool socks for him.
Thank you.
Prescian loved the steak last time and said, we're having the steak. So, we're having the steak. I have like nothing left. Got some chili flakes on there, beautiful. And then some salt and pepper. I've been watching a lot of Gordon Ramsay lately. That's why I keep saying beautiful. Some tomatoes with some salt and pepper.
You happy?
Yeah, it's cooked well.
I'm very happy. I never thought in my life I'd be doing this.
Why not?
I don't know, it's just not something that like anyone in my family did.
Good point.
I think my mom is like scared shitless.
Winter camping? Where?
Huh?
Did you show her my video?
Huh?
Did you show her I'm alive still?
but I think she knows there's a difference between me and you.
We're both human.
You have experience.
Ouch!
This feels very weird,
Which?
being outside in the dark at winter. Because, like, what other setting would you, like, usually when you go out somewhere, you're trying to get back inside as soon as possible, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, this wood is super smoky. I just checked the weather to double check how much snow we're gonna get, and it looks like we're gonna actually be getting some freezing rain, about a centimeter's worth, within the next couple of hours. So we ended up putting an additional tarp on. It's not supposed to get too cold tonight. I think the coldest is like minus 16, which is what it is right now. There's no wind, hasn't been any wind today, so there's no real danger of being cold. Although, if you take a look at him, he looks like he's in the middle of Alaska. It's crazy to think about. It's been almost a full year since I first went winter camping and fell in love. And now I've already been 4 times this year. And the winter just started. It's just so peaceful. Something about winter. It's just different. The weather forecast right now, it says ice starts at 11:30 p.m. I've never seen that before where it says ice starts. I'm gonna check the radar actually, I don't trust the weather. So we have not much time left. We're just gonna enjoy the fire and then we're gonna go inside. Snow starts 11:20. It's 11:20.
What?
There comes the freezing rain right on cue. So this is the system we have on our way. If you listen closely, you can hear freezing rain. Good night, everybody. Oh, nice. That's pretty. I'll edit out the first 4. So, how was your first winter camping sleep?
Honestly, it was pretty good considering. I mean, I didn't think it'd be that bad before we started the trip, but then once we got here and then the night, I'm not gonna lie, it was like, like we were just chilling now. It was pretty cold, so I very much so underestimated the power of good equipment. But yeah, that minus
Yep.
30 bag is actually very warm. Yeah, I slept pretty well considering.
Thank you guys for watching. We endured some pretty crazy weather, but really happy to wake up to some beautiful snow. I'm really happy Preston loved it, and also that he didn't freeze last night. Anyways, until next time, hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.